Hi, welcome to Padai Planet. So today in this video we are taking a question from probability grade 10, and so this is the first video which I am doing for the playlist of probability, and we will be now doing the probability. I have just completed statistics and circles. In case any of you has any doubts, you can keep sharing these doubts with me over comments and the messenger, and I'll be coming up with the solutions for the same in the video format for all of you. And in the month of Jan, I'll also be starting my free classes to all the fans who are following up this page. So in case you are interested, please follow the page. So now let's start the question. The question says that a bag contains lemon flavored candies only. So there is only lemon flavored candies. So so suppose this is the bag, and there are these, let's draw these candies, and so these are lemon flavored candies which are there in this bag. Okay, now Malini, there's a girl who takes out one candy. She's taking out one candy, right, from the bag which is there, and there are, remember, like, the most important thing is there are lemon flavor candies only. This is the most important word of this particular question. And in probability we got to be very, very careful of how the question is drafted. Every word has got a meaning attached to it, right? So this bag has got lemon flavored, right? It has got lemon flavored candies, and as I told you that the most important word, so we are going to just write that also, only, right? So the bag has got lemon flavored candies only. And now we have the questions, and the question first one is, what is the probability that she takes out, that Malini takes out an orange flavored candy, right? Now the bag has got only lemon flavored candy, so there is no probability that she can take out an orange flavored candy, right? So for the question number 1, the probability of the event which is mentioned, and the event here is this is the event, that an orange flavored candy gets picked out, that is 0. And the reason is that there is no, because orange flavored candies are not there, flavored candies are not there, right? Now let's take the second one. The second one is a lemon flavored candy. So what is the probability that she picks out a lemon flavored candy? Now that's something, see, this is the event. So for the second question, the event is that she picks out a lemon flavored candy. Now since the bag is full of only lemon flavored candies, so she will pick out only, that's the only possibility that she will pick out a lemon flavored candy. There is no other possibility. So she will definitely 100% will pick out the lemon flavored candy. And when that is the case, when their probability is 100%, then the whole probability is like 1. So this is what the answers are, and I hope you could understand. Keep watching these videos. I am coming up very soon with the rest of the exercise for rest of the questions. Every question is going to get solved here of CBSE and CRT. And in case you have any of the doubts, you can keep sharing the questions and the doubts with me over the comments and the messengers, and I'll be coming up with the videos for the same. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.